Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be unboxing my October BoxyCharm box, and this is a big one. So I'm super excited to just get started on this. Just like usual, we are going to open this up, see what's inside, and we're gonna try out whatever we can try out. So it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a surprise for me and you, just like every month. So before we get started, please give this video a big thumbs up for me and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much if you do. But if you want to see me unbox the October BoxyCharm box, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay, so since it's October, I am just going to assume that this is gonna be a little bit Halloween themed, or at least I hope it's going to be, because I just love Halloween. October is like my favorite month of the year, and I will take all of the Halloween-y things. So yeah, fingers crossed for that. But as usual, I don't know what's in here. It's a total surprise. I never peek at like the website or anything like that, because I just enjoy this being a surprise every month and unboxing it together with you guys. So we can get started. I did open like the little tabs on the bottom because they're super hard to open, and it took me way longer than it should have to get them open. So I did that, but I promise I did not peek. So on this side it just says Glam Bag, BoxyCharm, Icon Box, Refreshments, and then obviously Ipsy up top. And then here it just has the handle and the Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok logos. And then it just says Ipsy again. So yeah, just as I suspected, the card is Halloween-y. So here it is. Let me put that off to the side, and we're just gonna start going with whatever is in here and then seeing what we got. So first thing I'm seeing, Aloe Glow System. Amla Powdered Clean Beauty. It's the Luminizing Face Moisturizer. It says Amla, Aloe, and Botanicals. Illuminates, softens, and nourishes. Wait a minute. Is this like aloe? This is like the Aloe Yoga brand. Since when do they make skincare? They make really, really good clothes. I have to admit, like their clothes are so comfy and so cute, but I was not expecting a skincare brand out of that, so that's interesting. It says the value is $48. Full-sized, obviously. It's a moisturizer. It says your new fave moisturizer has entered the chat. The powerful yet lightweight formula is specially designed to give you a luminous all-day glow without any heavy scent. Formulated with vitamin C rich amla, a revered super berry from Ayurvedic traditions. So sorry if I mispronounced that. Along with aloe, avocado oil, marula oil, and other plant-based wonders. This moisturizer not only deeply hydrates, but also helps to brighten your skin's appearance. And then it just says to use a generous amount over clean face, neck, and chest, morning and night. I am like stuck on the fact that aloe has made skincare. Like, I don't know why that's so shocking to me, but I was really not expecting that. And obviously it's the first time I'm hearing about it. Packaging, A+. This looks and feels very expensive. So far so good. Let me see. It actually does not really have a smell. Hold on, I'm gonna like take off of this just to see what it feels like. Sorry guys, I am being loud and making a mess right now, but let me just like put this on the back of my hand. It's white, but obviously it's gonna like become clear as you blend it into the skin. Super. I will say this is like on the thicker side. Like this feels pretty thick, but it feels good at the same time. It definitely gave me like a luminosity on the back of my hand, and the back of my hand feels like nice and soft and smooth. And again, it doesn't smell like anything. So I'm gonna have to keep playing around with this and see like what else it does. But for now, I'm very interested. So stay tuned for that. And then let's see. I guess I'll go in order on my BoxyCharm like site thing. So what's next? Balance Me AHA Glow Mask. It's this is the first time I'm hearing of this brand too. So this is valued at $32. It's 50 milliliters or like 1.5 ounces, something like that. It's a face mask. It says, this powerhouse mask combines the potency of glycolic, lactic, and malic fruit extracts, acids, I cannot read today, to help gently exfoliate and reveal a youthful, luminous glow. Enriched with kaolin clay, it also helps to draw out impurities, lock in hydration, and guard against potential irritants. And thanks to the comforting and grounding essential oil of linden flower blossoms, you will feel relieved of any lingering stress and anxiety. And then it just says to wear it for 10 to 15 minutes and then remove it with a damp washcloth. So let's see what this is. Glow and Repair AHA Glow Mask, glycolic acid, kaolin clay, linden for all skin types. Oh, so it's 1.69 ounces. So a little less than 2. And then taking it out of here. Cute packaging. It's not like, it doesn't like pop out at me, but I feel like with skincare that's a little more okay than with makeup. And then let me just see what it looks like inside of there. So this is a mask. This comes out white too. And then let me like, this definitely feels like a clay mask. Like it's a little on like the thicker side. It smells very organic, which honestly I really like. I feel like it smells like when you go to the spa and you get like one of those like organic facials. So I really love that, but it definitely feels like there's like a clay-ish texture to it. So I like that. And then it just like, it stays on clear, so it doesn't stay white. I don't know. That's really the only opinion I have of it right now. I love the smell, I like the feeling, but I obviously have to play around with it. So maybe tonight, after I take my makeup off when I'm done filming, I will put this on and test it out for you guys and keep you posted on what it does. Woo! So next up, HIPDOT Jet Black Stamp and Thick Liner. What are you? It's valued at $18, full sized. Oh, it's an eyeliner. This innovative double-ended eyeliner features a wing-shaped stamp and a thick liner, making it super easy to achieve a flawless winged eye. Plus, it's vegan, cruelty-free, and smudge-proof, ensuring a long-lasting, bold finish without any fuss. Line the bottom of the stamp with the edge of your upper lash line and press down gently. Then use the eyeliner pen to fill in and shape as needed. I am actually very, very curious about this because I feel like I always see TikToks and YouTube videos of people doing these like stamp eyeliner things. And I've actually been dying to try this, but I just never have. So today is the day. Let's see. Okay, cool. So it's like a triangle on one end, and then you get just like the pen side of this to like fill it in. Let me see. Oh my god, this is almost like too triangular. Can you see that? So I'm just going to, I guess, like stamp right here with this, and then I'll fill in the rest of my eye. We're in this together. I am very, very scared, but let's just try it. Okay, here is what they look like. This side I feel like I did a little bit better than this side. I didn't press down as hard on this side, so it didn't come out as like triangular, but honestly, I am surprisingly impressed by what this did. I feel like it's very lazy girl friendly, which you guys know I am, and I feel like I am especially when it comes to things like eyeliner because it's so just intricate and time consuming, and I always just want to get it done and get it out of the way. So anything to make that easier for me, I will take. So I actually really enjoy this. I almost would like pull this out a little bit more and make the line a little bit sharper because I feel like the line, like the point at the end is a little too like, oh, that was too pointy. I'm gonna have to work on it is what I'm saying. Like, I feel like it's either too rounded at the tip or too like sharp. So I'm just gonna have to like work on this and try to master it and perfect it. But I do think it's a very interesting product, and you get like a very dark, nice black color out of it too. So I really, really like it and I'm interested in it. So stay tuned. And then next up, OFRA Cosmetics Bienvenidos Miami palette. So this is $42. It's full sized. It's a palette, so it says, get ready to bring Miami's sizzling energy straight to your face with this vibrant and versatile full face palette with 2 stunning highlighters that transform from liquid to baked perfection, Miami City and Ocean Drive, along with highly pigmented bronzers and blushes. This face palette perfectly captures the essence of Miami's Art Deco and neon-filled streets. But here it is. It didn't come in a box or anything like that, which is kind of surprising. But it says Mini Mix Face Palette. No mirror. How much was this? $42. I feel like this happens a lot with like OFRA products, but the packaging and the price never like align to me for some reason. Like, this to me feels like it would not be $42, just like the look of it and like the feel of the packaging and everything. So that's just one negative that I have. But then I'm just gonna take this off. This I am interested by. So you get like 2 blush shades, 2 highlighter shades, and 2 bronzer shades. I'm gonna swatch these really quickly and I will be right back. Okay, so here are my swatches. I feel like they have like a good amount of pigment to them. They're not the most pigmented products that I've seen, but they do still look really good and they feel good. Like, they feel creamy when you touch them. I also like that you can pop these little pans out and replace them as needed. I love when products have that. It just makes it a lot nicer than having to buy like a whole new palette for one shade that you liked. So I'm gonna try out a couple of these. I want to try this bronzer, so I'm gonna take like my bronzer brush. I already have some, but I want to like lay it on top just to see what it looks like. So I'm gonna do that. This does have pigment to it already, and that's the lighter bronzer shade, you guys. Wow. Okay, I actually really, really like that bronzer. Look at this. Sculpted. And then I'm gonna take this orangey blush shade with my blush brush. I already have some blush on, but I just want to see. I almost feel like the bronzer is like very, very warm. So this blush almost looks like the exact same product in a way. It gives just like an extra touch of warmth, but they look very similar. And then I think I'm gonna take this lighter highlighter because I always go for these kinds. So I'm gonna take this one and just put it on like the high points of my cheeks and my nose. Very highlighty. I actually really like it. I think the blending could use a little bit of work, but overall it looks nice. Like, I feel like the products work really nicely together. It's like a good palette. Would I reach for this first over other products that I love and I use all the time? Probably not, but I do think these are good quality products. So I'm gonna keep playing with that and I'll keep you guys posted. And then last but not least, we have OLEHENRIKSEN, which I love, love, love that brand. It is the Truth Juice Daily Cleanser. Goes for $33, 5 ounces, which is huge. It's a cleanser. It says, this refreshing gel cleanser does it all. It deeply cleanses your face without stripping away your skin's natural goodness, so you can say goodbye to dirt, oil, even that fierce long wear eye makeup. Yep, that stubborn mascara that doesn't stand a chance. With a powerful combo of orange fruit water and PHA. It's like a wake-up call for your skin, leaving it refreshed and energized in just one easy step. And then it just says to obviously apply it like you would any old concealer. So I definitely think I'm going to try this right now after I finish filming and I'm ready to take my makeup off. I love OLEHENRIKSEN's packaging. I just feel like it's very like cute. Let me take the little seal off so I can see if it smells like anything. I feel like sometimes those products do. Smells like orange. I cannot complain. Oh, and it is orange. This is really interesting. It feels like a gel. Like it literally feels like a gel, but it's very like soft and creamy at the same time. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. It feels really good, and I feel like my skin underneath it now looks very hydrated and shiny and bright. So I'm super excited about this. I think I'm the most excited about this one because I have tried lots of OLEHNRIKSEN products and I haven't disliked a single one, so I'm really excited to see what this one does for me. But all of the products in my box this month I feel like have been really, really good, and I'm super excited to keep playing with them and see what they do for me or continue to do for me. This eyeliner hack is very intriguing, and I'm just so excited to like keep practicing it and perfecting it because I am lazy a lot of the time when it comes to makeup, so I'll take anything to make the process quick and easy and still look perfect. But all of these products are very exciting. So this box was a total hit and I'm very happy. But that's it for today. So comment and let me know what you guys think about what I got in my box. Let me know if we got the same things, if we got different things. Tell me everything. Let me know what else you guys want to see from me. Give this a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. But stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.